What does invisibility mean to you? Despite the best efforts of poets, painters, writers, philosophers, and dreamers, we still cannot explain exactly how the mind creates invisibility. Because the process is so subtle, it can be difficult for the unaided mind to get a handle on invisibility. Even more daunting is the very idea of becoming invisible.
The outside world knew, of course, of our program, and was told also of our strange insistence. What drew us to the annihilating whiteness? Does whiteness seek blankness, or create it?
The best kind of artificial intelligence is that which follows orderly, rational lines of reasoning.
At what point do you think it would be fair to say, show me how love comes from distance, to say that all this is just myths? The image of humanity has to have a human face to it.
Is the inner world the island?
Is it real? Is it really the only legitimate path? Can you see your past, your future, or anything at all?
Is the inner world the island? Is the inner world the island? Is the inner world the island? Is the inner world the island?
Stop the work. Before Zhukova had said. This is not as easy as it sounds, but it is more important than the other rules.
Even the lightest rays were suddenly absorbed into a dense labyrinth that led to shadowy, translucent and impassable regions. She was compelled to enter the labyrinth, no more free than to proceed the other way.
Is the inner world the island? Is the inner world the island?
I didn't know this then, but the true power of invisibility lies in its ability to transcend the ordinary. At its core, invisibility is neither physical nor mental. It is an illusory field, created by the mind.
I saw him. What was between the blue-eyed, the moon-eyed, the cloud-eyed men? There he was, the white man.
Is the inner world the island? Is the inner world the island? Is the
You're going to see more stars in the sky. You're going to hear more voices. The world is very different now. Are there no spaces here to hide? A world without spaces, where our own is dead. An island in the sun. Is the black, is the inner world, the island?
Do you have an affinity or reason for being invisible? This is to be followed up with questions about how your role has changed or not changed during the 3 months since you lost your ability to be seen.